Hey, Uncle. Thank you very much. Uncle.
Hello, sir. Hi.
Hello.
Uncle. I called you downstairs because it was urgent. You know we spoke 2 weeks ago and you said you needed me to give you a reason before you give me my inheritance.
Yeah.
Okay, Uncle, these are my reasons.
They are your reason.
Yes, now. They are my reasons. Uncle, see, I want to give you a major notice why you need to know this reason. You see, this my girlfriend's here.
Yes.
I want to marry her. And so you know, she's from Abia State, here in Nigeria. And she, from Ghana. I didn't just go to one place and pick only Nigerian girl. I wanted two nations to come together in unity. I am now the purpose of unity. So I pick one from Ghana and one from Nigeria. Two nationality. You know how Nigeria is. So I can be going to and fro from Ghana. Uncle, I don't just want this wedding to be a one-class wedding. I want it to be a 5-star. This is my girlfriend here.
Yes.
I am doing the traditional wedding tomorrow. So very early morning tomorrow, we'll go to Abia State. And in the evening, we come back. Then we'll go to Ghana for our own traditional wedding. Next tomorrow, we come back. Then on Saturday, we go for the main wedding. Sunday, Thanksgiving. The next Saturday again, for our own wedding. Sunday, Thanksgiving. Then, I collabo. You see, in just 2 weeks, everything is over. So I want to know now how my inheritance will be. So I will know how to furnish myself. And Uncle, don't think this is a wedding that you will come that you will be spraying 100 naira to 200. In our own wedding, I don't want 500. 1,000. Or if you have the chance to change it to dollar, change it to dollar and spray dollar. Ah, you see this one here? I want CD, Ghana CD. You can change it. It's available in the airport. Even in Nigeria here, you can change before you go to Ghana. Then you spray CD or dollar. Very simple.
Isaac.
Uncle.
You mean they are the reasons why you called me to come downstairs?
Of course, they are the reason, Uncle.
Okay, you on the other side. What's your name?
My name is Mercy.
Your name is Mercy.
AKA Merciless Mercy.
The name goes with the nickname goes with surname and first name. Merciless Mercy. Uncle.
And you?
My name is Rejoice. AKA Ritola.
Wait. From this one now, she said her name is Mercy. Merciless what?
Mercy.
Merciless Mercy.
Mercy.
Adding AKA. And you too, you did the same. Adding the AKA to your names.
See, don't be angry. Don't be angry. Uncle, you don't know the trend. These days, people's name go with AKA. You don't even know your nephew has AKA. My AKA is Luxembourg.
Luxembourg.
Yes. That's it. AKA means also known as in the street. Yeah. You are not in the street.
It's
you
okay.
are good enough.
It's okay. Please, can you excuse me? I want to talk to my nephew.
You want to plan the wedding?
No. See, this is how my uncle is sometimes. Once he wants to talk to me, he will want to. But let me assure him. See, uncle, and let me warn you. There is no need for you to send them out. Because if you tell me anything now, I will still go and tell them. So just say it here. I've known them for some time now.
You want me to expose you in presence of your reason for calling me, Abi?
They are my reasons.
They are your reason. So you want me to expose you here?
I've known them for some time now.
Okay.
So just know.
Hello, girls. Sorry, from your own angle. How long have you known this young man here?
It have taken.
I couldn't.
It have taken.
2 days.
Yes, 2 days, 48
2
hours.
days.
Yes.
It have taken.
Yes. And I promised her marriage.
You want to marry it have taken.
Yes.
You want to get married to it have taken.
That day.
For 2 days it have taken.
48 hours.
48.
A lot of things happen in 48 hours.
It's all right. You. How long?
He has been a nice person.
Yes.
Very good.
Very, very nice.
I like when people
Past 2
praise me.
weeks.
For 2 weeks.
Yes.
You have known this man that you want to get married to for 2 weeks.
Yes.
He's been a nice person.
Long 2 weeks.
Best man.
Yes. And oh, Jesus,
But 3 of you must be stupid. Outside.
Don't worry. It seems my uncle, let me calm him down. These things happen sometimes. No reason to be angry.
Outside.
But uncle, you can say what you want to say.
I said outside.
It's serious now.
Serious.
Let's
So
go.
just go. I will bring the bundle of money. My uncle likes transfer. I might transfer to both of you. Just go. So don't go far, because all those prying eyes. I saw some people looking at us when we were coming. But just go and wait outside. Let me talk to my uncle. Let me see what I am paying for. Hey! Uncle! Fish roll! This is fish roll!
Uncle,
Get out. Uncle-in-law.
Don't worry.
Uncle-in-law.
I will come.
Tap tail. So this.
Okay, I will come just now. Don't worry, So, you don't need to tell them to get out before you tell me what you want to tell me. But no cause for alarm. I know you want to discuss the marriage with me. So, how much are you spending? How much do you want to spray on that wedding?
You brought these girls.
Yes, they are my girlfriends.
Do you know what marriage is all about?
I don't know, but I can keep up.
You can keep up.
Yes, I'm old enough to marry.
You are old enough to marry with Dada.
Uncle, let me.
What kind of rubbish touching is that one? Give me distance. Yeah. 1, go. 2, exactly. Stay there.
See, Uncle, let me tell you.
I said, give me distance. You are coming close.
Is this one enough?
It's okay.
Uncle, let me tell you. I can handle marriage. And how much is this my inheritance that you are proving stubborn to give?
What do you know about marriage?
Uncle, I will adapt. You even married 4, and I want to marry 2. Do you think you can handle 4 that I cannot handle 2?
Oh, we are now age mate now.
No, not the
No, you are challenging me when
No, Uncle, if I wanted to challenge you, I would marry 5.
I said, keep quiet.
I am not challenging you.
Okay, what are you now doing?
If I wanted to challenge you, I would marry 5. Then we'll start the competition. If you marry 9, I will marry 10.
You must be stupid.
Uncle, how much is this inheritance that you are? Just give me my money and let me go. Inheritance, you'll be keeping it for how many years? I'm grown enough now. I want to marry. Give me my money. Uncle, give me my money.
You are not old enough to be in charge of billions. When you have good reasons for me to give you money, you call me. Uncle. And don't call me for nonsense like this again. In fact, I don't want to see these guys in this compound. I don't want to see any of them.
Uncle, so my inheritance is in billions. Hey! And I can't afford a Toyota Corolla. My inheritance is in billions. The battle line has been drawn. Now I know why you killed my father. The battle line is drawn. Nonsense. Billions.